cartoon dance. What's up, YouTube, you beautiful people? Check out what I just got. Just the other day, Bel-Air Athletics by Will Smith. So I've been wanting to do these mystery unboxing gift or mystery unboxing bags or boxes, whatever. I've been searching around. They have other companies like Amazon, eBay, and just been searching, and I stumbled upon this one by Will Smith, his own clothing brand company. So these mystery bags that his company puts out is just random. It's not all the time, but every time when I try to get one, it's always sold out. And just my luck, I happen to snag me a bag. They have different prices, the price ranges that you could choose from. This is all on their webpage, belairaathletics.com. And this time around with the mystery bags that they put out is that three lucky customers will be chosen to receive a golden bag with a retail value of $1,000. And well, the different prices that they have on each bag is $30, and that one's a retail value of $100. $60 retail value is $200, and $100 retail value of $330. And the fourth one is the $200 bag, which is the retail value $650. And with this time around with the golden bag, you could get a value of more than 1,000 items in it. Fingers crossed. So let's get to it. Hopefully. I'm outside today. It's beautiful. Outside in the garden. Yeah, my in-laws. Hopefully I get that golden bag. And I'm not sure if I got the golden bag or how the bag looks like, or maybe it comes in the box with a golden bag, but anyways, I don't think I got it. But let's check out the product that I got. Okay, I got Bel-Air athletic hat. That's nice. I got another hat. It's pretty nice too. Yeah, Will Smith's been one of my favorite actors. Like the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. This is what this clothing brand is based off of. Fresh Prince. My longtime favorite actor. I like all his movies. Some of them. Let's see. Let me name you 4 that I like. Pursuit of Happiness, Bad Boys, And one of his, probably not well known, but the one he has superpowers is called Hancock's. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, and what is it? It'll come to my mind. I got some Rucker warm-up pants. Nice. Football. The Hail Mary football. Navy. Got a little wallet. Looks like it. I got that warm-up jacket that comes with the warm-up pants. A Bel-Air Miami tee. Nice. I got a Bel-Air Bengal tee. It's pretty nice. Virginia Key Beach tee. Huh. I'll open this one. I want to check this one out. Nice. I got a medium this time because the last time when I bought shirts those were small, it actually came pretty small. I wore small, but somehow maybe I'm gaining weight or something. A Bengal helmet tee. Nice. Let's put this down on the floor. A gym logo long tee, Bel-Air. Another long sleeve. I got a Bel-Air Athletic black. Here, I'll show you guys what just the logo tee looks like, the Bel-Air. Here's what they look like, just the logo, Bel-Air. Long sleeve, got a lot of long sleeve shirts. Let me see. Got a beanie. The Academy beanie, red and navy. Nice. A Bel-Air script tee. Got a World Champ tee. Let's check that one out. Okay. Pretty nice. And I got a green one, a World Champ tee, Bel-Air. And that comes to an end of my mystery box or mystery bag. So I don't know if I got the golden bag, so I don't even know what it looks like. Maybe this is a golden bag, which is a golden box. Other than that, I got some pretty nice clothing. I'll be fresh this winter. The Fresh Prince of Asia. And I was, one Halloween, I was a Fresh Prince of Asia. Pretty badass. Maybe I'll do another mystery boxing if I could find one that I like or come upon that I like. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace.